Sunday morning, and I need to go to the store and get my oil change. Welcome up, brother.
You want a point, however, for her, which is all she gets. So thank you so much for calling and playing, and come back home soon.
It's a very windy day. There's wind all over the place. Leaves are falling big time. But the sun is nice. Beautiful day it is. Again on this intersection, I'll be here for a couple minutes. A few minutes. Oh, track is just ended. I'm almost there. I'm gonna make a left turn here. Then to be a few meters. Then I'll be right there. So I'll be there in a minute. I hope the station is not very busy. I don't want to spend all day here getting my oil change. I'm here. I'm just about to pull in and get my oil change.
Hello, how can we help you today, sir?
I just need oil change today.
Oil change? Okay.
Yes.
Just leave your car here and we'll pull it in for you.
Thank you, sir. It's all done. I know my engine now is happy, it's clean. Can go on for another 5,000 miles before I do the next one. It was a quick, I didn't have to waste too much time here. Now I'm headed to the grocery store and buy a few things. Then I go home and take care of a few other business for the week starts.
This is WAMU, Washington. You listen to support the NPR news station from American University at HD at 88.5 on your smart speaker and at WAMU.org. It's 12 o'clock.
After the oil change, I just came back here at home. I brought some ginger, a gallon of milk. I also bought a loaf of bread, wheat. I bought a bunch of avocados right here, this week, and bag here for apples. So I think I'm done with my shopping for today. So I have to just stay around here, get organized, and wait for tomorrow to start our new week.